So here we have our Civil War map again that we saw earlier in the week. Um, so really, the only reason that we need to look at this again is how does this affect the Emancipation Proclamation? So on January 1st, 1863, Abraham Lincoln signed the Emancipation Proclamation into law, and it said that all slaves in the states that are in open rebellion will be from here on out free. Now, really, the question is, what does that mean? States that are in open rebellion. That is not well. It's definitely not applying to the North because they don't have slaves anyway. It's not applying to our border states because, as we established, our border states are they're they're not in open rebellion. They stuck around. They're still in the Union. That really only means in the southern states. The Emancipation Proclamation it freed slaves in the South. Now, what's the problem with that? The problem is the South listening to Lincoln right now? No. They have their own president. Jefferson Davis is the president of the Confederate States of America. So just because Abraham Lincoln issues this Emancipation Proclamation, it's not like slave owners all over the South now go out into their fields and say, okay, guys, I guess we have to let you go. That's not the case at all. In fact, the Emancipation Proclamation did not free any slaves. Now, you really have to think about why didn't Lincoln free slaves in the border states? And that should be a pretty easy answer. If he does, what are they going to do? See you later, guys. Peace out. They're going to go and join the Confederate States of America. So Lincoln knows that he can't free slaves here. He can only issue the proclamation for slaves down here, but it really doesn't free any slaves. What it does do, though, as it said in the play that you just watched, it makes it officially about slave. It makes the Civil War officially about ending slavery now. He's essentially sending a message to everybody in the United States of America. Enjoy it while you got it, because as soon as the Union wins this war, slavery is done.